Hey guys, my fellow Q engineer, are you ready to take your web automation skills to the next level with one of the in-demand tool in the market? As you know, I'm Ashurful Islam, a software test professional with over 13 years of experience in QA across top companies in Canada and USA. And I'm thrilled to introduce you with one of my brand new Udemy course, which is Master Cypress Automation from scratch to advanced level using multiple web frameworks, API testing, Jenkins integration, and much more. Cypress is rapidly becoming a must-know skill for every QA automation engineer. Do you know why? Because it's a fast, reliable, and built for the modern web application. In this course, so in a basic, we'll have some part from the JavaScript, which is our programming language, and from the Cypress basic part will be like a Cypress introduction, Cypress some built-in features when you install, like a feature, support, the command, end-to-end, and so on. So those, the features in details and what's the use case and Cypress architectural design, why Cypress is very famous. And then we'll have a demo Mocha project, which is the built-in frameworks comes with the Cypress, and using that we'll see some of the examples like web UI automation, how to handle different scenarios. We'll see that how to invoke multi-browsers in Cypress, Cypress locators like CSS selectors and techniques and navigation methods. And from the medium part, as I said, it's like we'll cover some of the complex scenarios of web automation, like static drop-down, dynamic drop-down, radio buttons, checkbox, the web alert or pop-up alert, mouse over alert, a child tab or child window, how to handle this, how to handle data in a table, scroll to an element up and down in your page, handling page navigations, context function in Cypress, use case and benefits of that function, some of the advanced customization, customized CSS selectors like traverse from parent to child or sibling to siblings, because sometimes the Cypress the CSS selectors is not very straightforward, so you have to create your own CSS selectors. Apart from there, some of the assertion, the available option that we have, like should option, expect option, and also data driven testing in Cypress. And then it's from the advanced part, specifically for JavaScript advanced, definitely we'll cover like a JavaScript object class, constructor, inheritance mechanism, part of the OOPS principles, static function, use case of a static function, because those kind of topic we're going to use in our framework. So that's why we need to know those topics before we start our frameworks, and it's a part of our advanced part from the JavaScript topic. And from the Cypress topic in advanced part, like handling a file, downloading, uploading, write and read your string from a text or picture files, different hooks in Cypress and use cases, environment variables and use cases, and how you can call and benefits the environment variables, a complete e-commerce into a smoke test. We use and following two the framework project. One project is based on Mocha frameworks with the page object model design and generate a custom or Mochawesome report. And there will be another project we'll cover based on Cucumber BDD frameworks, integrated page object model design. And apart from there's the Cypress cloud features, very cool features. So Cypress dashboard and the benefits of use cases of different features comes with the cloud features. We'll see that. We'll also learn how to enable video recording on failed test without writing any code. We'll see the CI tools of Jenkins from scratch, like Jenkins setups as a standalone server. And we'll see this how we can integrate our Cypress project with the Jenkins jobs execution and generated report up there. And apart from there, we'll have a separate project for REST API testing in Cypress. Will show different REST requests, different HTTP REST requests, like put, get, delete, those kind of requests, how to handle with an example, a real life example. Also, we'll see the Cypress Studio. That's another cool features that will help. It's kind of like recording features that will create a Cypress command, Cypress code, following your UI in a UI, your application. You will just follow some of the command. You will just do some of the execution, like when you do the manual testing, exactly the same thing. So you will go here and there, click on the button, behind the scene it will create your script. So we'll see that part too. But using recorded, the recording tool or recorded script, you have to have a very deep understanding Cypress command and framework so that you can use those code in your right place. And the last not the least, we'll also learn the generative AI in Cypress, like a GitHub Copilot, which is the AI, some of the AI models, like ChatGPT or Cloudy or Gemini, any one of the AI model you can use to fix your code, to review your code, to really save your time. If you need to peer view your buddy's code, it can do that. It is an amazing features, right? It is not a built-in feature that doesn't come with the Cypress, okay? It will be available, you will see in our BS code, but you have to activate that one, right? So that's pretty much at a very high level the course coverage. And here is the best part. I'm offering this course only for $9.99 for a limited time, for a limited students, as a welcoming launching price. So check the link below in the description and grab your seat today. I will see you inside the class.